Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday makeup during the summer. It's super lightweight and super fast to do, which is key during the summer because you don't want to sweat it off and you don't want to waste time being inside. If you want, you can like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel and turn to post notifications because I'm uploading every day until the 21st of this month, which is my birthday, and you don't want to miss out on any more videos if you're not subscribed already. So please subscribe. If you want to see how I get my everyday makeup during the summer, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I like to keep it pretty light during the summer, so I only use concealer. I don't use any like foundation or anything, but if I was going to, I'd use a tinted moisturizer because it's so lightweight, but it still gives you coverage. But I'm just gonna go in with my NARS concealer and just conceal any imperfections that I have. And just blend it out with my damp beauty blender. And then I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D translucent powder and baking under my eyes and then just setting the rest of my face. I'm just gonna let that sit there for a second while I bronze, and I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and then just like bronzing my face, making it look like I have a tan that I don't. And I'm just gonna take a big brush and wipe away the bake and blend that out. I'm also just going to be taking that bronzer into my crease and under my little lower lash line. I'm also just going to be taking this yellow shade from the Anastasia Contour Kit just to hide my dark circles a little more. Okay, and now I'm going to be highlighting, the best part ever. And I like to use like this fluffier brush just so it's like more natural looking. And I'm going to be taking these two shades from the Carli Bybel palette. I like to mix them. I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, up here, my brow bone, and that's it. Now I'm just going to be brushing out my brows and kind of filling in just the tail area where it's more like sparse. And now I'm just going to take this Steve Laurent black liquid liner and just do a really thin line on my upper lash line. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. And I'll be right back. Okay, and if I'm gonna be wearing anything on my lips, it's gonna be this Rosy Lips Vaseline because it just gives your lips like a shine and it kind of gives them a little color. And I don't know, I just don't like to wear lipstick every day. And this is super easy to like carry around with you. It's very moisturizing. But sometimes I will wear my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, but most of the time I'm just wearing this. But that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you like how the makeup turned out. It's super simple, but it's great for every day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below. And make sure you put on your post notifications because I'm uploading every day until the 21st of July, and you just don't want to miss it. It's gonna be fun. It already has been fun, and it's gonna be fun. So please subscribe and put on your post notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow.